Eliminate hand strapping and speed up the process of pallet strapping with the semi-automatic pallet strapper. Unit automatically feeds the desired polypropylene strap through the pallet, tightens, and seals the strap around the pallet. 115-volt power supply included. Pallet strapping process is as follows. Unfold pallet probe. Push pallet probe into pallet. Feed polypropylene strap. Insert tip of strap into strapway. Adjust tension pulling automatically into heat seal. Strip is then cut off to feed the strap out. One cycle automatically complete. Remove machine and insert into next pallet. Strapping is sold separately. Other features include user-friendly controls, tension up to 175 pounds, 40-inch foldable arm probe, uses 3/8, half, or 5/8 poly strapping. Eliminate hand strapping and speed up the process of pallet strapping with a semi-automatic pallet strapper.